guys, Archibald Chesterfield III, AC3 buckaroonies. And today, guys, I'm going to show you, this is a great deal on an Omega. Do you need a present for a bitch? Do you need a present for a wife, girlfriend, or a bit on the side? Well, I've just invested in a great wristwatch, and I'm going to be selling it on the channel. So firstly, parcel arrived. I've just taken my address off there so I don't get trolled. Okay, now let's undo this. Let's have a look. We're going to do an unboxing live on the ArchieLuxury channel. Here we go. Okay, we done that. Now, let's cut this fucker. Cut the fucker open. Cut this fucker open. Here we go. And beautifully presented. Fuck! I should have used the Feistmeister fucking knife instead of these stupid schoolyard Caesars. Okay, let's have a look here. We've got, what does it say here? All sorts of bullshit. Yeah. Yaddy. Ooh, goodies. Ta-da. I like how they do that. Let's have a look. Fuckaroonies. Let's get this baby opened. Ta-da. It's quite interesting. I'll save this. This could be useful. I'm going to be selling some watches soon, so I'm going to keep this packaging. This could be very useful. I can use that. I got to do a bit of a clearance. Ooh, da-da-da-da. Okay, da-da, drum roll. Fuckaroony, da-da-da-da. Wowzers, fuckaroonies. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. An Omega, ladies, Connie. It's an Omega constellation. Absolutely beautiful. So there we go, guys. An Omega. This is a ladies Omega. Quite nice. It's a quartz. Yes, it is a quartz. Only ever buy quartz for ladies. A ladies constellation. Now, I want to show you a bit of something called packaging. So, I've just bought this watch here. This was actually a really cool watch. It was in I paid a bit more to get really nice condition. I paid a fuckload more to get really nice condition. So, condition is everything when it comes to pre-owned wrist watches. And I gotta tell you, when I was in honkers, where do I put this here? I'm just cleaning up the studio, guys. The studio. When I was in honkers, I actually bought a chocolate box. Let me show you, fuckaroonies, what I am talking about. I bought a chocolate box. This is the Omega chocolate box. So I'm going to package this Omega. It now becomes a boxed Omega. Fuck, this thing here is, take that off. It now becomes a boxed Omega, which means that now I'm going to sell this. How does that look? An Omega Connie, an Omega constellation. So there we go, guys. An Omega constellation. An Omega constellation in a box. Do you need a watch for a bitch? A bitch. A present for a bitch. Look at this. Absolutely perfect. What a perfect Christmas gift. I'm going to be selling this on my YouTube channel. So guys, I got to tell you, that is how it goes. That is how it goes there. So guys, tell me what you guys think of that. A live unboxing. I bought this here to click and flick on my channel. I'll be offering it for sale very soon, fuckers.
I'm only signing it because it costs nothing. So this is the congratulations to everybody.